Hey there, baby. What are you up to? Just chillin'? That's nice. Yeah, of course I'll join you. Yeah, it is snowing out. I believe we are under special weather statement. They're calling for rain, snow, and ice pellets tomorrow. I know. So glad that we are working from home tomorrow, so we don't have to deal with being on the roads and such, not risking us getting into a car accident. Ooh, yes, please. I'll take a hot chocolate. Oh, are you sure you want to get that? Because I can. All right then, dear. I really do appreciate that though. Sounds good. I love you too. You're back. Aw, thanks for the hot chocolate. You even added the marshmallow. You know me well, babe. Come here. Come sit on the couch. Let me put this blanket on us. You nice and comfy, babe? That's good. Yeah, a good way to end a long day, along with this upcoming winter storm, by snuggling under a blanket by the fire and drinking some hot chocolate. Yeah, the hot chocolate is delicious, my love. Thank you again for making this. You're too sweet. I love you too. Oh shoot, I just remembered something. Family Day is coming up. Yeah, that day next week. Any plans on what you want to do on that day? Maybe I can ask my parents to join us or something. That restaurant should be open on that holiday, but I can always call and ask just to be on the safe side. God, I love holding you like this, babe. You are so incredible, so generous, and you never judge me for who I am. You see me and treat me like a human being, not like a plastic doll, like my ex treated me. Yeah, that bastard. He made me feel like nothing, if I'm being honest. True, it is in the past, and you have helped me through it by being there for me. And of course, going to therapy too, as you recommended. I've only been to therapy for a month now, and there's some improvement in me, according to my therapist. I appreciate your support through this, my love. You are truly the best. I mean that. No, we don't have to go to bed just yet. We could snuggle here for as long as we want to. To be honest, I'm feeling really comfortable here on this sofa with you and rather not move. Yeah, you can lay your head on my chest. I don't mind it at all, hun. I love you too, babe. I love you so much.